Hello, SDS104 students. My name is Michael, and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh-Carbon Community College. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here, and we are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you in a large variety of areas, and we can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I often help SDS104 students make a successful adjustment to college. Succeeding in college is not easy, but you can do it, and we are here to help. Time management is very important in college. I often help SDS104 students manage their schedules and their projects so they can be successful. Finally, there are many different types of college challenges ahead of you, and we have a lot of college success skills, including note-taking, reading tips, study skills that you can find useful. So, here's our contact information. Reach out to us if there's anything we need to do to help you be successful here at LCCC. We hope to see you soon.